DJ targets traffic cops. No Cap toaster Eddy G admits this generation mad. And he's stepping on the gas.
No Cap on shock value to hook fans. Nothing new about that. So Eddy G,
yeah.
Why are you wearing a balaclava? Are you hiding from the cops?
No man, my cops to my friend man. Cops to my brethren man.
So why would you put out a song where you're telling the cop to get out of the way because you're not stopping?
I never do it, but me will do it. I never say me licking down, you know. I just say, you will get licked down, can you just run out so? You will get licked down.
Me licked down police are ground.
But coincidentally or not, a policeman did get hit down.
That's why I try to clear it up. Me just did one vibe, and I somebody did feel at the time building the song. People just are running this viral thing. I just saw people stay as it. Everybody are trying with the numbers.
Aren't you running with the numbers too on this viral thing?
Me song tough differently, and that alone, me song tough differently, that's why them can listen it. Any little thing me say them did I run with before. And I like that alone, me say and them are running.
Them cap till them twist.
You know, say that song there. Me never dive or pre that song there for do this, you know. Me never come, me did do that song there with the other artists already, you know. And them take off the verse there, off of the song.
So we're concerned about how the cops would react.
If I that then concerned about, you know, done enough then, so I go do my song myself. Cause I done this. You see it, I done this, I survive out there, right, you know.
Get a gun on my future set.
So you think you're amongst the dunces? Would you want people to think that you're a dunce?
Meaning of them word, I know my meaning, you see it. My dunceness is doing what me want to do. And not care about what people think. That's my dunceness. Yeah, my dunceness sound like me can't read. I go to school and everything. You see?
Dog we rich like Mick Jagger. Dog we live like drill rapper.
Make me think build up off a real crafting and pattern and melody and everything. You see, gimmick is a bonus, yes, and if it really is not like a gimmick, a real powerful punching lyrics with rhymes and so. And I like me just get up and say one gimmick is something and real. It's a really a song, my bill, you understand?
Eddy G's track No Cap with a traffic cop flattening scenario that's grabbed TikTok. It's from the 20-somethings project Jumanji book, produced by his manager Dane Ray, he of Lockdown fame. 2 other tracks already out there, engagingly titled Cesspool and Baphomet.
If you listen to this song, you see white name Baphomet. Brother, people just want entertainment, you know. For me can lack people entertainment, brother. You're not even have to sing no song. But I'm good at singing song. And I can lack entertainment. So, nowadays, as a youth, I grew up in Jamaica now. You're not even have to listen to hip-hop to get that trap vibe, you know. You can just listen, be a Jamaican now.
Dog get the rich or the excuse. Money on the line, close spin all and make move.
Right now, this generation, mad, you know. Who maddest, you know. I just saw it come down.
So you're pandering to the madness?
I just have me, you know. It a play yard and abroad, every little party, everywhere. Me not see where it now plays it. Me not see when me go and people don't know say Eddy G that.
One Eddy G, mama!
The song do that to me.
So have you had any interactions with the police since this song has come out?
Yeah, that make it funny too, you know, cause when me buck up on police I road, I just love me getting, you know, and everybody pointing, you wait till police for them. I don't know what they want to talk about, but a different thing when me see police. You see all the song builds, I try to make my fans feel it the darkest way I can make them feel it, you see it. And I like me, I go around and lick down police and them thing there. You see it, I respect police.
So why is darkest the word that comes to your mind right now?
To me, darkness is a side of your way where you're frightened for push out, you see it. A side of your way, lock away in your way. You're not sure to your world. It's not nothing evil or out of this world like that. The game changer, you just have to accept it, you know. Technology advance, that is what it is. What you going to do? Work with all the game change upon you. Use it to your advantage. If the game left you, the game is just what it is, brother. You can't cuss it. I know one time I go to one bag of man, I beg this and that and I just naturally build one song in my bedroom one day and put it out on TikTok and it catch a wave.
What's your background in the music business?
I start out rough, you know. I start out with a record label, 100 Spit, because I used to record all the artists and things. I always have the dream to be an artist still, you know. To people used to take me, it never used to seem like people take me that serious. I continue still through the whole of that voice up much artists, build much rhythm till I stop do that and say me I go take this music thing serious. Yo, people attention span short, you know. Yo, we had yesterday and not today. To people attention span short. But me had straight cause we don't know the code.
What's the code?
How me explain the code? My new song named Formula, you know. Maybe if you listen to that, you hear something.
Me can't stay one place that I slow me down, half fat freak man skate.
You have man that sing every music. Right now you still have man that sing the whole dancehall, you have man that sing the whole reggae, you have man that sing everything. People not go listen nothing. So when you see a youth that do him thing and I get him forward, left him brother, cause out of the whole of them nice the people go listening. Me dey have my time when me I watch everybody in here. If you say me don't watch King and the Roger Wild like all of them, me watch the whole of them, you know. Me watch Craft and the whole of them. You just have to watch man in the time, and man watch me right here now. We still get feed time, I just saw it go.
So it's your time now, you think you're on par with those names you just mentioned?
Time will tell.